Hey, what's up everybody? So this is my unboxing my new Dell Inspiron 5680 gaming PC. So it's also for video editing for myself. I don't game as much on PC. I'm mad at me, but I'm usually game on my PlayStation 4. But anyway, let's bust it open. Let's see what we got. So here, open it up. We have, looks like a keyboard here. You see that? Let's open it up. This came standard with it. Oh, there it is. The keyboard there. Set that to the side. So we got here. Like mouse, standard mouse. I already have a really nice mouse I got a long time ago. It's wireless and everything, but you know, hey, came with it. So got your power cable here. Inspiron gaming desktop, quick start guide there, safety, regulatory, stuff like that. Woo! And here is the system standard. It's over here. Get out of the way. There we go. And before I did, I unboxed the monitor and everything, and I'll be showing you the whole setup once I get it set up. Here it is. It's like the power button here. Some USB ports. There, headphone jack, all that's good stuff. It's an i7 6-core. Turn around, take a look at the back. And there you go for you techies. With some HDMI ports, extra USB ports. There you go. Power hookup, all that. So that is my new gaming editing desktop. I'll be getting this set up, and I'm going to show you my setup here in a little while. So that's it. Thanks. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'm building my channel from scratch. I will be unboxing my microphone I'm going to be using next. Thank you. This is V, and I'm out.